In this video, I'm going to show you how to go in and add content using the new editor. So I'm going to go into Build Content. I'm in a content area of the course, like learning modules or course resources, something like that. And right now, I'm going to go in to build a blank page. Okay, now, obviously you would give it a name at the top. Now, what I'm going to focus on in this video is using the Add Content button at the end of the new editor. So for an example, if I click on that plus sign, it allows me to insert files from the computer or from the content collection. The content collection would be any files that you've uploaded in any of the courses in Blackboard. You could actually pull that in here. There's a whole bunch of different things that you can pull, and you can see on very common one lately has been Ensemble videos. Okay, Who Knew It, which is now info-based cloud learning, library resources, YouTube videos. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's say the first thing I want to grab in here is a picture. So I'm going to go to Insert Local Files. Okay, and I'm just going to grab this Online Teaching Academy image. Open that. And there's the image. Okay, so because it's a picture file, it brought it in. Now this replaces the old picture option to insert a picture on the old editor. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to grab a YouTube video. And let's say I don't know what it's called, but I know the author, so I'm going to put my own name in there. And hopefully it will find the videos that I've created. Okay, so here's a whole bunch of them. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to grab this video here. So I'm going to select it. Alright, I prefer my videos to be embedded. This way they can watch it right inside the course, so I would pick embed video. If for any reason they were having problems watching it now, I could, give them the URL, and then you always want to show the information of who the creator of the video is. And I'm going to submit that. So now you can see the video is embedded on that page. Now, this text here will not show up on the page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit submit for a minute just so you can see, and I'm going to turn my edit mode off, and I'm going to go into that new page, and you can see that that title across the top did not show up on the page, and I can actually click on it and watch the video from here.
Hello everyone.
Alright, so I'm going to turn my edit mode back on. Okay, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do an Ensemble video. So I'm going to go back into the plus sign again and do Ensemble video. Okay, and it automatically should be linked up to your Ensemble account. And you can find the video that you were looking for. So let's say that this is the video that I want to put in. So I'm going to hit choose. I'm going to save that. And now that video has been added to the bottom of my page. Okay. So the one last thing I'm going to go in is I'm going to add a Word file. So I'm going to go back up to the plus sign. I'm going to insert local files. And I'm just going to go in and let me see if I can find, I'm going to go to documents instead. There should be something in there that's Word. Alright, so there's a Word file right there. I'm going to hit open. Okay, so on the bottom it's showing the name of the file with a link to it. So if I submit this and I go back up to edit mode, turn that off, and do the page. Alright, I can see the link there. Okay, so if they click on that, it will download the file to that computer. Okay, now I want you to notice something. Normally in Pages in Blackboard, it doesn't check the accessibility, so this is also something that's new. So there's a problem with this. So if I want to if I go back into editing that page, there is a new accessibility button in the viewer here, or in the editor. So I can do that, and it's telling me that I didn't provide alt text for this image. So I can put in here Online Teaching Academy logo, and then hit repair. Okay, and it tells me it's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and it's checked everything else on the page, so everything else is fine. Okay, so so that is new. Okay, now if you have unlisted videos, if you go into the plus sign and search YouTube for that video, it's not going to pop up. So if you have unlisted videos, you want to make sure that you get the embed code instead. So I'm going to go back into YouTube, okay, and I'm going to find a video that I did. So let me do, now as long as it's myself and I'm looking through my videos, I can go in and find my library here, okay, and I can pick a video from here. So I'm going to grab that video, I'm going to stop it from running. But if I go to share and do embed, it's going to give me my embed code. So we're just going to hit copy. You could also have selected it and done a Control-C to copy. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the page in here, and let's say I want to add that other video to the bottom. Now, because I have the embed code, I'm going to go into, this is new, this is source codes. So if I click on that, I can see the code for everything that I've put on the page, and I'm going to click at the end of my page and hit enter. And I'm going to Control-V to paste in the embed code for that video and hit save. And on the bottom here, you now see the video that I added. Okay, so doing the embed code, the only thing different is the button that you hit to view the source code to be able to put the embed code in. Okay, so that's how you can add content to the page using the plus sign or using the embed code option. Okay.